There's really no conference like Exponential Medicine.
Buonasera, buonasera.
Why we come here each year, I believe, is for the reaffirmation that we are alive during a time where we can do anything.
It's almost like science fiction coming true.
Thank you for all of you for coming. This is going to be an incredible 4 days. We've got the cutting edge, what's happening in AI, robotics, IT, 3D printing. We're all here to look at what's possible as we move into the future of health and medicine.
And it's our responsibility as clever and exponential people to figure this out quickly.
That's the reality of what we're doing here. We're not just coming on stage talking about crazy, wacky ideas. These are innovations that exist today.
So the question is, what is it that you truly want to do?
So we have to go from preserving people like me in wheelchairs to standing us up again and having cures, from preservation to cure.
You can't practice healthcare or innovate in a silo. You can't, I'm going to just solve this problem based on one angle. We need to understand it from the patient perspective, the payer, the physician, the nurse, the caregiver.
By looking at the problem from a completely different angle, you start to see entirely new opportunities to solve that problem.
You know, we all are going to have to break out of this crazy trap, which is the idea that the doctor will take care of you. That's just nuts.
But without the diagnosis of a disease, it's very difficult to get access to well. And well is what we all want to be.
So quality of life, I think, is the key for no matter how much time you have left.
Sometimes as a patient, you hope that people are thinking about your disease and the issues that you're struggling with.
Prop 71, $3 billion for stem cell research because of us, because we took a stand.
It's incredibly encouraging.
I think it means that we need everyone in this room, everyone listening to this live stream, all the people that you all are going to touch, to have this vision for what the world can be and to be rowing really hard in that direction to help make that possible.
You know, there's nowhere else in the world where you can come and really get the amount of innovation, the transformational innovation that we get here at Exponential Medicine.
First of all, the presentations are unbelievable. I mean, wow. And just this constant stream of phenomenal brilliance.
Incredibly accomplished folks who've done some amazing things, have no clue what's happening sometimes out of their spheres, and they come away with some new ideas, new connections, new collaborations that really help catalyze and kickstart some amazing new initiatives.
What we're really talking about is challenging every assumption that you've had about what's possible with these kind of very rapidly advancing technologies.
You know, we're all here trying to make the impossible possible.
I mean, people should come here if they want to have more hope for humanity.
We're here at the beautiful Hotel del Coronado in San Diego. It's like, what's not to love about it? And then you've got these extraordinary human beings who are hanging around fires and having these conversations and banging drums on the beach and listening to music, and it's just really, really powerful.
They start to hear in the corridors, yeah, well, you know, isn't it interesting that, well, maybe I could. And that kind of maybe I could, I think, is the real magic.
There is no more noble use for technology than to bring peace to the minds of mankind.
You're meeting people who can actually advance your dreams. We've done so many things, but we're not there yet. I'm not walking, there's more to do. So I ask you all to take a stand for cure, to take a stand for research, to take a stand so one day everybody can. I thank you.
Anybody with an interest in healthcare who might have a technology background or not can come together here at Exponential Medicine and help catalyze and reimagine the future of health and medicine.
This place is awesome.